Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got this kit recently, weeks ago. Got it off eBay. Got this kit for, this is a 1968 edition of the Monogram Duesenberg, classic Duesenberg town car. And this, I paid 28 bucks for it. Must have been an auction, I guess. Maybe I offered, let's see. I might have it pulled up here. Doesn't say if it was an auction or not, but it was the total was $30.91 after tax. So you can still get good deals on eBay, no matter what. Some people do say that it's like completely overpriced. You can still find an excellent model kit, and I got this one. Again, it's 1968, at least copyright on the box. It's a PC 185-300. Could have got this kit for $3 back in the 60s. Very nice, very nice. Duesenbergs were an American-made car. And it's like, I think Jay Leno says every Duesenberg was made in like 1928 or something like that. Although they had ones that went up into the 30s. All the parts were made in like 28, I think is the year he says. The only thing about this kit is somebody wrote new on it. And no, that's not the new classic Duesenberg by Monogram. 34 SJ town car with Murphy body. The Murphy body, I guess, is the one where the servant gets to ride out in the rain. Alright, let's check them out. I don't think I've looked at this. No, I haven't. I might have taken the top off, but I haven't. The glass is in a bag. Maybe I did, because I think I stuck this glass in this bag, but I haven't gone through the parts. The glass was there, and I just stuck it in a piece of plastic. So there's all your glass and your lenses. I can't say enough about these lenses on these old Monogram kits. They were very nice. The detail in the lens. See if I can get in here so you can see one. Just have a lot of detail in the lenses. I know that's a small detail, but they did have nice glass and nice lenses. The chrome tree is looking a little tarnished almost. You see it's almost gold. You might not can tell it, but it looks practically gold. I don't know what the heck happened there. I don't know if you could still get away with it. But it's pretty gold looking, tarnished. I don't know if heat might have done that, or just sitting in this box for all these years. But anyway, here's the side panels for your exhaust. One goes on the bottom side of the hood that stays fixed, and one goes on the hood, the portion that comes up, and then there's the other side. Got your grill, instrument cluster, spare tire, and then your let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, it have 2 spares, I suppose. Yeah, one on each side. Can't have too many spares. Nice bumpers. Very nice. Here is the, now I've built a Duesenberg by Monogram metal kit, and or metal body, and it had probably the same chassis and everything, but it's up here. I'm not going to get it out, but anyway, here's your chassis rails, which they look really nice. I've said this before, that Monogram had a way of making things simple but yet super detailed. Things like this, they already incorporated the springs in. You don't have to try to align those, get it all lined up. They're already there. They're already in it. There's your one exhaust that goes out. 2 different tips. One exhaust, pretty cool. Front axle. Looks like your running boards. Radiator. Nicely detailed radiator. Not radio. I think that's the top of the supercharger or something like that, and the drive belt intake or possibly exhaust. All the parts are numbered on the inside. Looks like a roof panel, inside roof panel possibly. Maybe has wood grain, so maybe it's the bottom. I don't know. Don't know. There's almost just like bumpers, but I'm not sure what those are either. Probably the inner portions of a, I guess you do white walls or black walls possibly. Some sort of tank, maybe the bottom of the fuel tank. Cross member. And here is the big Duesenberg straight 8. They made a lot of power. Those Duesenbergs, they say would run over like 100 miles an hour when speed limits was like 35. They would go. But yes, it's got a nice, very detailed engine on it. Transmission's made onto the engine there. The oil pan, the rear differential, along with the drive shaft. Like I say, it's all incorporated in one piece. Makes things very simple, but yet detail's great. Steering wheel. And here's your white walls if you wished, and then the others were black walls. Dang, that's a heck of a tree. It's got your fenders. Oh, your whole body, actually, your fender portion of the body. Firewall. Some sort of piping, probably exhaust. 2 more of the black wall inserts. There's some cabinetry for your fancy inside portion of the interior. Here's a box that you can build, latches and everything. What the heck is that? Just alignment pins for the box. Oh, it's a trunk, that's what it is. That's really neat. Steering shaft for the steering column. Man, that's a big tree. We got the exhaust that goes through the fenders there. That's neat. Wood grain under the bottom of the front of the cab. Let's see, is that where yeah, under his feet there would be wood, and looks like it would have been a vinyl mat of some sort, probably over top of that wood. And then in the back, more of a carpet look. See, that has straight lines going across it, like vinyl or rubber. And then this is a carpet look back in the back. It's got to have fancy for the rich folks riding back there. That's nice. Trying to see the detail in the door panels. It's got some, like, there you go. Got some lines. He didn't have any detail. He just had window cranker and door. Well, I don't even know I had a window cranker. You had no windows. You can't roll the windshield down. But anyway, alright. Here's the hood. And these are the best building kits. They just build up so well. The Mercedes 540K that I just built was one of these classic monograms. I think they ended up being what would be called the museum pieces or something like that. I think they might have changed the name of it. Here's the body. Just doesn't get any better than that. That's just a great piece of plastic. It's shiny too. I mean, you could literally buff it and not even paint it. I mean, I would paint it, but then the roof has a nice texture. Just looks great. Just great. It says copyright. Monogram models. All rights reserved. I like leaving that stuff. I think that's neat that it's in there. It's got a dome light. Check that out. Dome light already installed, and this is part number 50. See, they made it easy. They made it simple, but yet super detailed. Love these old Monogram kits. Okay, Matthew, you've said that plenty of times. I love them. I do. There's the head for the dual overhead cam, straight 8-cylinder with the plugs already in it. Very nice. A few other pieces. Here's some of the carburetor or something. I don't know what it is. Wheel backs. They're all off. Some little rail. Some other little piece of the exhaust piping or something. I've seen these already. This is 1968. Hobby catalog number 4. I think it's the same one that I had. Yeah, this is the same one I had in my other kit. Which these are really neat. Had prices. There's my, let's see, where's it at? 540K. This one right here. PC 87, the car I just built. PC 87. $3. That's neat. Here's the PC 185 that I've got here. And it also $3. These are the expensive kits. These are the $3 ones. Then you get into the beer wagon, PC 189 beer wagon. Go try and find you one for $2. That is insane. That is crazy. How about the PC 188? That's Terry over at Hobby Barnes Holy Grail kit. PC 188 Boot Hill Express, $2. Some of them drop down to $1.50. Black Widow PC 60. Which one's that? Right here. Black Widow PC 60, $1.50. Green Hornet, that is Mark Batson's. Like, I don't know if it was this Holy Grail, but anyways, you can't get enough of them. Anyway, these are neat kits. Just the historical value that they bring with buying an old kit and it coming with things like this. You gotta love it. And then other model catalogs that Monogram had. That's too stinking cool. And then last but not least, the instructions. I don't see anything else in the box. The instructions for this thing. It's like they were folded, but they're opened up in here. More instructions as far as what to do than arrows pointing how or where they go. And then you got the exploded view. I built the Mercedes. Although these instructions are really nice, they're a bit complicated as far as the instructions go. They tell you what to do, but on the newer or the kits that had the instructions that had arrows showing where a particular piece goes, that's not laziness, like saying, hey, I don't want to read, but it's an easier, for me at least, it's easier for me to see how that works rather than or how that would go rather than having to read it and say, okay, assemble part number 13 will go under the spring housing of this. It's just easier to me for it to just have an arrow. And I think Monogram figured that out because they quit doing it this way years later. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching me open up this kit and exploring it for the first time with you. I also have this kit that I got from Billy Bear that I'm going to be opening up. Now, someone said, hey, Matthew, that's a 4-star Monogram kit. I don't know if that was something special or if just 1965, that's what the logo looked like. But anyway, I will be opening up this kit very soon. It is very cool. Thank you to my friend Billy Bear for sending me this kit. Look at that little bitty door in the rumble seat. I can't wait to check that out. But anyway, I'll be doing a video on that one very soon. But thanks for watching the classic 34 SJ Town Car with the Murphy body, removable hood, detailed engine, and chassis in 1/24 scale monogram kit from 1968. Still preserved in its box and all its pieces, it appears to be there. Guys, thanks for watching. These are the kind of kits that I just love. This is really where I'm at right now as far as model building. Yeah, I'll build a hot rod for sure, but these just give me so much satisfaction to build it. It's so classy. They're old kits, and man, I can take myself and put myself back in the 60s building this thing. Not back in the 60s, but you know what I mean. Like back, like if I was there already, I'd go back. You know, oh, that made no sense. Anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Hey, check out Hobby Nut Models, link in the description below, as well as the Facebook group, the spring store where you can grab yourself a great model car videos t-shirt or a hoodie or a coffee mug or a sticker, and the Patreon group. Guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching these videos, and if you hadn't subscribed, hey, hit that subscription button. I really appreciate it. Like the video if you liked it, and I won't even go there, but anyway, thank you, and we will see you all on the next video. Ooh, I'd like to drive that, but only if the weather was good, but I'd like to ride in it. Yeah, all right, guys, see ya.